And this is why when people say, well, the law of attraction doesn't work, it's a false statement. It's working. It's just not working how you want it to work for you. What's up, family? It's your man, Jeff Kilgore, back again. You already know how we do it. Business and mind all intertwined. Today, we're going to discuss the law of vibration and how it really is the root of the law of attraction. You ready? Come on, let's do it. Now, to understand this, the very first thing that we have to understand is that everything, and I do mean everything, is vibration. Everything that you see, everything that you hear, even everything that you think is vibration, because it's energy, and energy equals vibration. And so the air is vibration, the chair that you're sitting on is vibration, even the walls, wherever you are, is vibration. Now, science has shown that it looks still, like for example, the walls, it looks still, not moving. However, if you put it under a microscope, you'll see tiny particles moving around, because everything is vibration. Everything is in motion. It's just vibrating at a frequency that makes it appear to be still. It's a very high vibration that makes it appear to be still. So it's just sitting there still, right? Now, everything is vibration, including you, including your thoughts, including your dreams, ambitions, goals, everything. So now that we're established on that, everything is vibration, right? Now, our creator, God, or whatever you choose to call him, our creator created us as the highest form of creation. He created us in his own image, but he created us as the highest form of vibration. In other words, the walls are vibration, the floor, everything else is vibration, but we're even more at a higher vibration as humans. Think about it. The walls are just there. All these objects that we're talking about are just there. But as human beings, we're alive, moving around. We have blood running through our veins. We're alive. Our vibration is enormously higher than all of these other objects, these things. Human beings are the highest form of vibration. We're the highest form of creation, which means we're vibrating at an extremely higher level than all these other things. Now, why is this important? This is important because if these things are vibrating at a certain rate and we're vibrating at an extremely higher rate. Now, God said he created us in his own image. God also said that we are to have dominion over all these other things. Now, this is important because as human beings at an extremely high vibration, we should be able to command these things. We should be able to have dominion over all of these things because we are vibrating at an extremely higher level than these objects or things. Again, we're alive, we're moving, we have blood running through our veins. These objects are just sitting there, not doing anything. Although they're vibrating, they're just there, they're not alive. Because of this, human beings should be able to have dominion over all these other objects, all these other things, all these thoughts, ambitions, goals, and yes, this includes money. So if we as human beings are at this extremely high vibration, which means we should be able to attract and magnetize all of these things that we want into our life, because we vibrate at such a high level that we should be able to attract all of these things, then the question is, why don't we have more of the things that we want? I mean, we are the highest form of creation. We are vibrating at the highest level of anything on earth. Then why aren't we magnetizing and attracting the things that we want in our lives to us? Why don't we have more of that? The reason is simple. It's because we're operating at such a high vibration, such a powerful level of vibration that it works both ways, negatively and positively. So if you operating at a negative vibration, even though it's negative, it's still powerful. And what it's doing is repelling instead of attracting. So all the things that you want, you're actually repelling them because it's working whether you understand it or not. And the law of vibration is working. It's just not working in your favor because you're radiating a negative vibration, but it's still powerful, whether it be negative or positive. It's powerful. And so it's repelling what you want instead of attracting what you want. I mean, science has confirmed that negative vibrations attract more negative vibrations. Positive vibrations attract more positive vibrations. So whatever it is that you're vibrating at, negative or positive, you are attracting more of that. And this is why when people say, well, the law of attraction doesn't work, it's a false statement. It's working. It's just not working how you want it to work for you, because it's working in the opposite direction of what you want it to, but it's working. It's the vibes that you're putting off. It's the vibration that you're putting into the atmosphere, into the universe, and it's not working how you want it to. So you're like, man, this don't work. That's a bunch of garbage. That's because it's not working the way you want it to work, because you have that negative vibration attracting all the things that you don't want. So you have to become the vibration of whatever it is you want. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. So you have to become what you are. If you want more love, you have to be more love. You have to be more loving. You have to, if you want a loving relationship and you're like, why can't I get more love? Why can't I get the loving relationship that I want? Well, what is your vibration towards love? The same goes for any of your goals and dreams and money. Why can't I get more money? Well, what is your vibration towards money? Once we examine ourselves and figure out where our vibration stands, then we'll be able to adjust it accordingly and start to attract all the things that we want in our life. But you attract what you are, not what you want. The law of attraction is rooted in the law of vibration, because all things are energy. Just like it says, where attention goes, energy flows. Energy equals vibration. So this is how the law of vibration works. It's all about frequencies. Like I said, everything is vibration, but you as a human being are the highest form of vibration. You have dominion over all these things. Money is an object. As the highest form of vibration, you should be able to attract. In other words, think of it like this. If you have a magnet the size of a quarter, but you also have a magnet the size of a basketball, which magnet do you think is going to be stronger? Now, a lot of us, our basketball magnet is negative. And so you attracting all the negative stuff to that. And your positive is the magnet that's the size of a quarter. And you're wondering why it's rare that you attract something positive. We got to switch that around and make that basketball size magnet our positive, high frequency, high vibration magnet. And that way we'll be able to start attracting all the positive things, and we won't have to worry about that little quarter of a magnet, because we're all about that basketball size magnet, and we're attracting all the things into our life that we really want. Did you get any value out of that? I hope so. And if you did, you know how I say, squeeze that like button, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, especially subscribe. This year I'm committed to upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you don't miss a beat, I don't miss a beat, and we can help each other. And if you're still rocking with me at this point, you already know I appreciate you. Let's go.